So today we're going to talk about tattoo placement and why we have tattoos in the places that we do. As you can see, this is an underbust, and we've tried to site it in the middle of the chest, make sure it's symmetrical. If we have it leaning too far one way or too far the other, it's just going to look weird. It's going to look off center, and we don't want that. We want it to be nice and clean, nice in the middle of the chest area. Here is why having very highly detailed neck tattoos can be a bit of an issue. Because obviously it doesn't quite fit the space, it's not quite made for that area, so it's going onto the shoulder, into the clavicle, around the back. It's just a poorly sighted tattoo, really. And it looks like it, it just doesn't look nice, does it? Hello, Jeff, you naked man, you. So this is the same tattoo again. This tattoo is actually designed for a thigh because it's quite chunky, and as you can see, it wraps around an arm quite a lot. And because of that, it's just distorting the nose, the face, the detail at the back is very distorted, and it just doesn't look great. It, even if done well, it's not going to be a fantastic tattoo. So now we're going to look at one that is a lot better suited for the area because it was designed for this area. And we see it's facing forward, which is nice because it looks very aesthetic. The detail on it coming around the front is good. It fits nicely onto the back, so we've got room to add more and expand this tattoo. It doesn't go right up over the shoulder, so again, we can expand it nice and easily. And again, so this is the same one, but on the leg to show you what it's like. It's facing a different way, and it doesn't quite look right, which is why we try and, if we're having standalone pieces like this, we try and have them facing forward, just because aesthetically it looks better. Um, and as you can see, look, there's one facing forward, one facing back, and if we zoom out, it doesn't look too bad now because we've got two facing in different directions. And occasionally you are going to need to do that. But this next tattoo that we're going to show you is designed for the area, so it looks nice. There we go, it fits, it covers the area brilliantly, it folds with the muscle, we're not distorting it at all. And there you go. So this is just a brief video, we're doing a longer one at a later date, so stay tuned.